Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to make refreshing green tea with mint and explain its amazing health benefits. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You can see the buttons right here. You will need 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves or 1 green tea bag, 1 cup of water, about 250 milliliters, 5-6 fresh mint leaves, optional, honey or lemon for taste. Use fresh mint leaves for the best flavor and aroma. Pour 1 cup of water into a saucepan or kettle. Heat the water until it reaches 80-85 degrees Celsius, not boiling, to avoid bitterness. If you don't have a thermometer, boil the water and let it cool for 1-2 minutes. Place 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves in a cup or a tea bag in your cup. Add 5-6 fresh mint leaves. Pour the hot water gently over the tea and mint. Stir lightly to mix the leaves and mint well. Let the tea steep for 2-3 minutes. Cover the cup while steeping to retain aroma and nutrients. Avoid steeping too long to prevent bitterness. If using loose tea leaves, strain the tea using a fine mesh strainer. If using a tea bag, remove it carefully. Mint leaves can be left in the cup for aroma or removed as per your preference. Add a teaspoon of honey or a few drops of lemon if desired. Avoid sugar for maximum health benefits. Sip slowly and enjoy the refreshing flavor. This tea provides antioxidants from green tea for better health, digestive support from mint weight management by boosting metabolism, heart and brain benefits, cooling and refreshing effect, especially during summer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Don't forget to click the buttons here to stay updated with our latest healthy recipes and tips. Enjoy your refreshing green tea with mint.